That's the minimum you would do in a class.
Sir,
Yep.
my camera is not working.
Okay. Make sure that no other window is working either. You're always with me. Okay?
What do you mean no other window?
That's when you open other window, other tabs, and you can play.
Oh.
Alright. So what did we learn yesterday? Does anybody remember?
Algebraic thinking
Algebraic thinking. So essentially we did not learn anything new.
and a little bit of mixed fractions.
Yeah. So mixed fractions we have not gone into detail. We just assure Sanvi, Aditi, please keep your video on. Mandeep has a problem with his video. Sami, you can keep your video on better. So yesterday we did not learn anything new. I happily wasted everybody's time for 1 hour. It was not a waste. We kind of revised tables, and then we double clicked on the algebraic thinking one more time just to understand it better, so that it becomes easier for us. When you do multiplication, when you do division, what is the importance of algebraic thinking, and we picked some problems and we tried solving it. Okay, so I'm assuming that you guys are now at least clearer than before.
Yeah.
And then we wanted to learn how do we deal with mixed fractions. Mixed numbers. Meaning, if I have something called a mixed number, like if I go to my pantry, I have something called mixture. Mixture is like the spicy thing, the snacking item, where you have a lot of pulses, some spicy, colorful, peanuts, all the things mixed together. Right? So that is one thing where I have mixture.
Take that pack of markers. That was a mixture of blue and red. You have the bag of markers. It's a mixture of blue and red.
Right. So mixture is a snacking item. We'll talk about only mixture today, so that we can enjoy how it tastes. No, that is not the purpose. The class. Mixture is a very commonly used term where you are dealing with multiple things together. When you have different types of things mixed together.
Like multiple pens.
Yeah, it could be anything. So similarly, when you talk about mixed numbers, it is also a kind of mixture where you have different types of numbers mixed together. Now, you guys all know, Tasvik, don't be busy for no reason. Fold your notebook. You'll only open it up when needed. Okay? So, and again, Nikhil, don't have to keep on taking notes, because the class, whatever we do, right, you have a video always with you, okay? So that you can watch later on, okay? Make sure that you are paying attention to understand the concept rather than being busy taking notes, okay?
Okay.
Now, when we talk about mixed numbers, we are talking about mixing different types of numbers. What are those numbers? What are different types of numbers?
Integers, fractions.
So, if you guys remember the number line,
I do.
so you don't have to respond to every sentence I say. When there is a response needed, that is when I would expect you guys to respond. If I am saying something, say yeah, okay, very nice, I hear you, then that means that's an unwanted discussion. Don't do that. Now, here if you look at the number line, you see that you have 0 in the center, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on one side, -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on, so forth on the other side. If you remember correctly what I was helping you recall, all the positive numbers starting from 1, this is called natural number. Do you remember?
Yes.
Now if I include 0 also into this list, then this becomes whole number. Do you guys remember that or you don't? Tasvik, did I not tell you just 1 minute ago? Don't be busy unless there's a need. What I was telling was, as of yesterday I told you guys that on the number line, if you look at it, if I look at all numbers from 1 all the way till I can think of, these are called natural numbers. Yeah? Serena, do you agree? Yeah? Now if I include 0 also in my list, meaning 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And therefore, this is called whole number. Yeah? Satvik, agree? Okay. Now, I want to make my list bigger. I include everything, meaning all positives, negatives, 0.
Superset integers.
This is called integers. Okay?
I
So, just stop there. So, we know what is natural number, what is whole number, what is integers. This is one type of number. Okay? Now, I look at a point between 0 and 1
decimals.
or a fraction. I divided something between 0 and 1. It might be 1 by 2, it might be 1 by 3, it might be 2 by 4, 1 by 5, 3 by 5, whatever it is. Whatever number, okay? Between these 0 and 1. What do you see here? These are called fractions. Does everybody know that?
Yes.
Everybody knows what is fraction? Now, I am not happy with what I am doing right now. I want to make our life more complicated. So, I am saying, I know how to add numbers. I know how to add fractions also. But what if I have fractions and whole numbers together? 3. What do I have now? This is called mixed number. I have natural number here and I have fraction here. Yep. It's a mixed number. Let's keep mixture out of the equation now. We are only talking about number. We're not talking about anything to eat right now. Unless you guys are super hungry. So, this is a situation where we're talking about two types of number put together. That's called a mixed number. So you will see situation like this.
So a mixed fraction.
No mixed fraction, this is just a mixed number.
Okay.
Just a mixed number. Because mixed fraction is fractions mixed together. There's nothing called that. Okay, it's a fraction or a number, an integer or a mixed number. Okay, or decimals, whatever. So right now we're talking about mixed numbers. When we have situation like this is called mixed number. And we'll figure out how do we replace that on number line, but let's not worry about it for now. If you look at this one, 3, 1.5. Meaning 3, it has two parts, 3 and 1.5. So 3 is up to here, 1.5. So 1.5 probably here. So add 3 and 1.5. So 3 to 4 is 1, half of that, 3, 1.5. So that is how we can replace that on number line, but let's not worry about that for now. How do you replace that on number line? That we will be able to do it very easily. But let's look at these numbers.
I have a question.
What is that question?
Can there be mixed numbers like -5, 1 by 2?
Nobody is stopping us from doing that. See,
Negative.
you can have that number, right? This is also a possible value. Because here also it's a mix. This is your integer part and this is a fraction part. It's a negative. Simple. And you will anyways do that, right? Because When we learn how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, same thing we'll do with mixed numbers also. So I can subtract one mixed number from another one. When I'm subtracting, if this number that I'm subtracting from is smaller, I might end up getting a negative value here. Okay? So this is mixed number.
I get more.
So far we just know about what is a mixed number.
I get it.
Like I said, my every sentence, every statement doesn't need a response. You have to respond when I ask you guys to respond.
I was saying that.
My every sentence doesn't need a response. As I said, I'll repeat. If I say, is this a mixed number? Is this a mixed number?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Of course it is. There's a fraction and a whole.
Keep your story short. You are not here for writing a movie story for a movie. It's a multiple choice question, yes or no type question. Is it a mixed number? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, got it. If I say why, that is when you have to explain. Okay. Keep it short so that you don't waste your energy for things which are not needed. Is this a mixed number?
Yes. Yes.
On the screen. Everybody agrees? Is this a mixed number?
Of course.
Be it a positive number, be it a negative number. Both are mixed numbers. When we are talking about mixed numbers, just for keeping things simpler, we are talking about a mixed number having a natural number or whole number and a fraction. That will be our boundary. Now, if I say convert a mixed number to a fraction. Convert a mixed number to a fraction. Who can do it? Do it. Do it.
Sir.
Yep.
Can I do it?
Yep. Go ahead.
To convert a mixed number to a fraction, so in the denominator, so you multiply it by 3, which is the whole number.
Uh-huh.
So 18. And then you add the numerator, so 1. So 19 over 6.
Okay. Anybody? Yeah, Sohina, what is your answer?
Yeah, so what we are supposed to do is just multiply 3 times 6 and we get 18, and 18 plus 1 is 19, and we should keep the denominator the same way.
For me, it's like a clock.
It's
Yes.
called MAD.
Yeah.
So multiplying, adding, and like that.
Divide and dividing.
I don't get it.
Multiplying, multiply, divide.
No, multiply, add, denominator.
Yeah.
Keep the same.
Yes, Sandy. What is your answer?
My answer is the same 16 by 6 because I did it the
16 by 6.
16?
two-step.
16 by 6 or
No, I said 19 by 6.
19 by 6? Yeah, yeah. I heard
I
it.
did the Texas too.
Yeah, okay, okay. How about you, Satvik? Same?
Yeah, I got it the same way.
How about you, Aditi?
19 by 6.
Okay. Now, just tell me the answer. I know you all know that. You all know it. I just need the answer quickly.
17 over 8.
Okay?
I don't get it still.
Okay. Riyans, how much is this?
17 over 8.
17 over 8.
I don't get
So,
it.
okay, I'll come to you. Don't, again, if you keep repeating yourself, remember, regardless of how old I am, I'm still able to hear, okay? I heard you, I'll come back here. No, yeah.
12 over 8.
No. So, now, how much is your answer, Nihal?
17 over 8.
17 over 8. So, there are, most of you know, some of the kids are not clear, so allow me to spend 5 minutes to explain it to them, okay? So, now, Raj, Adika and Nikhil, just pay attention here. You might have come across it before, so that's what I'm trying to do. Let's say I have Rudraj here. If I have a mixed number, if I have a number like this, I will call it a mixed number, no doubt, right? I have a full number here and I have a fraction here. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, Sohina gave me a good clue. She said, this is called mad. 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 Mad as in mad. M stands for multiply. A stands for add. And then it's your denominator. If I had this number, okay, whenever I have a mixed number, I go mad. What I do? I first multiply, then I add, then I write the denominator. 2 3 are 6. This is multiplication. Mad, M of mad. 2 3 are 6. Then you add A of mad, and then put the denominator. 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7 by the denominator. There.
Oh.
Yeah?
17?
Yeah. What 17?
Oh, well,
Clear?
I think this is.
No, so everybody understood or not?
I get it wrong.
You get it? Anika, did you get it?
I came across this question.
Okay, okay. Don't tell me stories. Let's look at the math. Now I want Anika and Rudras to do something along with Nikhil and you. Do it. Do 2 of them real quick before we can get into. Okay, I'll pick easy ones.
Okay.
5, 1 by 7, and 2, 1 by 9. I want 4 of you to do it quickly in next 30 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ow. Oh.
No, do it. Notebook. You have notebook right in front of you.
Can I tell the answer?
No, so Sami, I know you know the answer. I just, some of the kids who were not familiar with this, I just want them to practice real quick. And then we'll start with the operation part of it. Okay?
Okay.
Have you finished both of them?
Yes.
Have you written it in your
Yes.
notebook? Just so to me.
This is my answer, and this is my answer.
This is 36%. Okay. This is okay. Okay. Yeah, you got it. How about you, Vita? Do it. Don't have to think too much. Just do it.
Okay.
Done.
Done. Huh?
This is the answers that are voting below.
How come? 5 7 is how much? Oh. Nobody will laugh at each other, okay? No. I might crack jokes.
Is the second one right?
I did not see the second one for you. You can check it by yourself. But why? 9 is how much?
18.
What did you write? It is 19? It looked like 4 to me. Okay. Yeah, this is right. Yeah. Yeah, sure.
I got the answer.
How about you, Anika? Okay, I'll come to you, sir. Just give me 1 second. See, it's very simple. You know the table of 5, right? This one.
I'm done now.
Okay. Yeah, you know that? So, mad, meaning multiply, then add, then put the denominator. 5, 7 5 ja or 5 7 ja is how much? Same. 5 7 ja or 7 5 ja same. Whether you do 7 into 5 or you do 5 into 7, both are same. Since you don't know the table of 7 right now, you can already look at the table of 5, which is 5 7 ja how much? 35. Right? So 7 5 are 35 plus 1. Mad, meaning multiply, then add by denominator. Okay? Similarly here, 9 2 ja is same as 2 9 ja. So 2 9 ja 18 plus 1 19 by 9. Yeah? Yeah, sure. Tell me what was your answer?
My answer was 26 over 7, and for the second one, I was 19 over.
19 over 9. Was this 26 over 7?
Yeah, that was 36 over
36 over 7. Yeah, that is correct. I heard 26. Yaditi, how about you?
For the first one, I got 36 by 7,
Mhm.
sir, and for two holes and 1 nines, I got 19 nines, sir.
19 over 9. Yeah. Now, so now I'm going with the assumption. So Nikhil, you also got it right? Okay. So this is 5 7 35 plus 136 by 36 by 7. 36 by 7 and this will become 9 2 jay or 2 9 jay 18 plus 119 by 9.
Okay, when
Yeah.
he does.
Now.
Sir?
Now.
I did some questions while I was waiting.
Huh?
I just read up my questions while I was waiting.
That's okay. Now I will make a statement and that I would want you to remember. Who is my best friend? Does anybody know?
Fractions.
Okay. Okay. Let's see what Asher says. Yeah, Asher. Who's
Fractions.
fraction is my best friend. Okay. Fractions are my best friend. Now look at this. I have one friend named Rajiv. He's one of my best friends since my childhood days, and he lives in Ohio, Cleveland. But I found a new friend recently,
Who?
or even before Rajiv, and that is named fraction. When I started learning math, I found this friend. What does it mean? It means that whenever I'm in a confused state, whenever I'm struggling with myself to find out how to solve problems, I try to see if I can make everything like a fraction. So it becomes my friend and my life becomes easier. Now you will see that this guy is getting old very fast. He's making stupid friends. And that's okay. Let's look at this. I will give you guys a situation to appreciate what I'm saying. If I have 2 plus 1 3 by 9 plus 8 by 7. Now, if I have to add these things, happy? Don't keep your mouth wide open for long enough. Mosquitoes might go in. Okay? They are mosquitoes, they are insects flying. If you keep your mouth open for long, I can't help it. Okay? Now, coming back to this one. If I have to add 2 plus 1 3 by 9 and plus 8 by 7, it doesn't look fun. It looks like, oh, I have a fraction here, I have a mixed number here, I have a whole number here. If somebody told me that, okay, add 2 plus 5 plus 7, I can add it, it's easy. If somebody says, add 1 by 3 plus 2 by 9 plus 1 by 6, this also we learned. We know that we have to find out the LCM of all these numbers and then do this. So with fraction, I'm still okay. If I have fractions or if I have natural numbers, I'm fine. Now, when I'm dealing with a situation like this, which is getting me confused and worried at the same time, who can come to my rescue? My best friend.
Fractions.
Fraction.
Fractions.
Yep.
The one in fractions.
My best friend is fraction who will come to my rescue. Yaditi, you're saying something.
Sir, 2 by 1, sir.
2 by 1. Okay. So, you were a little quick to answer that, but I have not gotten there yet. What I'm saying is, whenever I'm in a confused state, as I said, my friends come to my rescue. Meaning, and my best friend here is not Rajiv. Rajiv is not come to help me.
Why?
He have to spend, let's say every time I am having a situation like this, he has to buy a flight ticket to come from Ohio to here. Every question will cost him $1,000. Do you think this question is worth $1,000? No.
Yes.
No. Okay. And what if?
Next time you.
Yeah, it's going to be a waste of time and money. If I start doing more problems every day, and if my friend has to travel from Ohio all the day, he will have to quit his job. Anyways, come back to serious discussion. So here, apart from Rajiv, my friend fraction will come to help me. Meaning, what that means is, whenever I have a confused situation like this, I would try to convert everything into a fraction. Okay, so like Aditi said, I'll convert 2 into a fraction. This is converted to a fraction. This is already a fraction. This guy is not. That is what we learned just now. We have to go mad. Right, Saina? We'll go mad for this guy. This guy is making us go mad. Meaning, multiply 9 ones are 9. Add 9 ones are 9 plus 3, 12. And put the denominator. 12 by 9. See? Now, my friend gave me the clue that whenever you have a situation like this, when you have different types of numbers to deal with, convert everything to fraction.
So, are you going to solve this?
I will start dancing now. The question to ask to me is, are we going to solve it? And my answer is no, we will start dancing now. Let me bring the music system, turn it on. We all will start doing Bangla. Okay, sit down, sit down, sit down.
Can you solve it?
Sit down.
Can you solve it?
Yeah, we will.
Yeah.
So, but before I move on, let's look at the situation that we were dealing with. The situation was that we had a natural number, we had a mixed number, and we had a fraction. Even if we did not have a fraction, at least we had a mixed number and a natural number. And whenever we have to deal with that, our friend, now my friend has become everybody's friend.
Why?
Okay? Now whenever you have a situation like this, your friend, that is fraction, will come to help you out. Meaning, the clue is, everything has to be converted to a fraction before you dare to take it forward. Okay? So, you converted this to a fraction. Now if you have to solve it, sound me clear? You got a new friend? Fraction? Everybody got a new friend today, right?
I don't know, sir.
Huh? So fraction is our new friend, okay?
Yeah.
Meaning whenever we are dealing with a situation like this, we all have a friend called fraction. Yes, Aditi? Aditi saying something. Huh?
My mom said my fractions are our old friends, sir.
Okay. So yeah, no, Aditi already has that friend for some time. Some of the kids who have joined recently, they did not have this friend, that's why we are doing it now, so that I get you guys one more friend. Alright, so coming back to the serious point. Yug, can you keep it back? 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 It looks like I have to say the same thing at least 20 times.
20.
For you probably 50. Okay? To make you guys understand. So, what the hand is up for? Hands down, I'm not joking here. Now, so first thing we did was, we had a situation like this, we converted it into fraction. Okay? Now when you converted this to fraction, now tell me in the class, who all doesn't know how to add fractions?
I do.
My question was simple. Tell me in the class who all doesn't know how to do add fractions.
Sir, I do know how to add fractions, but are we going to review multiplying fractions and dividing fractions next time?
Yeah, we will. Okay. So, okay, here in the class. Does everybody remember how to add fractions or subtract fractions?
Yes. Yes.
Remember?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? So in that case, I'll just quickly go through it. That means whenever I'm dealing with this situation like this, so I had one more, 8 by 7. So I'm doing it quickly, okay, so that all of you who don't remember it can pay attention. You pay attention, Rudra pay attention, Anika, Nikhil pay attention here. So this was already a fraction, so I just put it like this. This one was a mixed number, we learned how to convert to fraction, so we put it like this. This was a natural number. Any natural number, if it's a 3, I can always write this as 3 by 1 as a fraction. So we converted everything to a fraction. Now we have 3 fractions. You have to just add them. What you have to do is look at the denominators 1, 9 and 7. 1, 9, 7. We have to find out the LCM for this. 1 is anyway the smallest number and we don't have to think about it. The next smallest number that can divide all of them is 7. So there is only 7. 9 remains 9, 7 ones are 7. Then the next smallest number apart from 1 is 9, so I'll put 9. 9 1 9, 1. All ones. So my LCM is 7 9 63. Now here, go to first one. How many times? Now we are picking the first number. We have the LCM here. How many times of 1 gives me 63? 63. So I'll put this in a bracket, 63 multiplied by the numerator, which is 2. Done. First number is done. Then I have a plus sign, I put a plus sign. Then come to this one. 9. How many times of 9 will give me 7? 63. 9 7. So I'll write a 7. Then what do I have in the numerator? 12. 7 into 12. Second number is also done. Then I have a plus sign, I'll put that. Next bracket start. How many times of 7 gives me 63? 7 9 63. I'll put a 9. What do I have in the numerator? 8. Now, what it became? 63 remains here. 63 into 2, 126.
126.
Plus 12 into 7. Who will tell me?
84.
84. 9 into 8.
72.
72.
See? Now look at the magic of tables. Since you guys keep on memorizing tables, all these things are coming so quick. Yeah? That's why I'm forcing, troubling, bothering you guys to memorize tables. Now this became 63 here. 2 plus 4 6 plus 6 12. 1 plus 7 8 plus 8 16 plus 2 18. 1 plus 1 2. 282 by 63. Done. This is my answer for now. What did we do? Why you dance?
Why can't we turn it into a mixed fraction again?
If you want to, nobody is stopping you from doing that. So here we were dealing with adding mixed numbers or mixed numbers. We had one mixed number, we first understood what does it mean to us. We can always convert it into a fraction. Any natural number you can always convert to a fraction. Fraction is already a fraction. You can deal with it. Now, let me show you guys something interesting. If I ever ask you guys, okay, this is a common sense problem, okay? Whoever is wanting to use common sense would be able to solve this real quick. Let's say, if I say 3 plus 4, 1 by 9. Tell me how. Okay. Okay. So Sami gave the answer. I know some of you heard, some of you did not. Anybody else? If I say 3 plus 4, 1 by 9, how much that will be? Without doing any calculation. You guys talk about mind maths. Yep, yes.
7 and 1 9.
7 1 9. How about you?
3 over 4 plus
1 over 9? No, that you cannot do that. See,
Is there a mixed fraction for a 252 by 63, 430 by 63?
I'm not really interested in that. That is not adding value. I mean, I'm letting you do it for your own happiness, but not very interesting thing for me. You can find it out. That's okay. So here, come to this one. This question was a common sense question. 3 plus 4 1 by 9. What the answer would be, Nihit?
7
1 by 9. Yep. Like Sami said, like many of you said. See, look at this. This is the fraction part and this is the whole number part. If you have to add them, whole numbers you will add together. 3 plus 4 7. This guy doesn't have a friend. It will remain as is. Yeah? So, fraction who is my best friend apparently doesn't have a friend here in this case.
Who?
This poor guy has no friend right now.
Which guy?
If you stay awake, you will not end up asking these questions. You seem to be half asleep. You keep waking up every 2 minutes, ask one question, then go to sleep again. Okay, if I say 5 1 by 2 plus 7 1 by 2. Who all can give me the answer without calculating? Yeah, Aditi.
11 1 by 2.
Are you Aditi? Keep your answer ready. Without notebook, if you are giving the answer, I'm pretty positive that you'll be wrong with your answer.
26.
Okay. No, are you Aditi? I'll come to you, then ask you to give the answer. Okay. Yeah. I'm saying 5 1 by 2 plus 7 1 by 2. Yeah, Aditi. What is your answer, beta?
11 1 by 2, sir.
Okay. How about you, Sami?
My answer is 13.
How about you, Shoina? I could not hear you, Shoina. Say that one more time. Your sound has gone muted. Yeah, okay. Yeah, how about you, Riyaz?
13.
Okay. How about you, Satvik?
I think it's 13, sir.
13 1 by 2. 26 by
13, 1 by 2?
2. 26 by 2.
26 by 2. Is that a way to simplify it? It could be 39 by 3 also. Yep, yeah, Srina. Srina, you can unmute and tell me the answer one more time.
Oh, me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think it's 12 1 by 2.
Now,
I got the actual answer. It's true. Yeah, it's 13.
your earlier answer was also right, but that was a complicated answer, 26 by 2. That's why I said it could be 39 by 3 also, it could be 52 by 4 also. All leads to being same 13. Yeah, what is the answer? You sit down properly with us. Sit down. It looks like you're on a beach enjoying your vacation. You're not at a beach right now. So, okay. So, okay. When you want your brain to work, you have to put your mouth to rest. Now here, what is the situation we have here? 5 1 by 2 plus 7 1 by 2. 5 plus half, 7 plus half. Is that the right way to look at it? Now 5 plus 7, I know that it is 12. Plus 1 half and 1 half. 2 half. Give you how much?
1 whole.
1 whole. Yeah? That's what everybody gave as an answer. What I'm saying is, not every problem is difficult as we think. Some problems would be just to test your... What happened?
Okay, he's having some nothing.
Okay, that's okay. So here, what I'm saying is, every question is not something that you have to solve always. Tasvik here. You have to look at if there is something hidden as a message. Now, here, everybody here. So we looked at mixed numbers. How do you convert mixed number to fraction? When you have a situation like adding mixed number with natural numbers and fractions, we did that. Now if I say, okay, everybody calm down. It's okay.
Too much energy.
What is that?
I have too much energy.
It's okay. See, whenever you get distracted, whenever you think about something else, take a deep breath. Okay? Yeah, it's okay. Okay, that's fine. Take a deep breath. Come back. Now, same problem. If we say multiply 3 1 by 2 with 6 1 by 8. So, Nikhil, what I would suggest is just take a walk, come back. You'll be fine. Okay? It happens. You know, sometimes.
He's thinking about something funny.
That's happened. That's very natural. But whenever that happens, you have to come out of that situation because otherwise you'll keep on thinking about it and that will not be good. So you take a walk, come back. It's okay. If I'm getting distracted, right, I'll just take a walk.
Around the whole house.
Okay, keep quiet. Keep quiet. Take a big breath and come in. It's okay. That's fine.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Now calm down. Everybody stays calm. What I'm saying is, if I have to multiply this mixed number with this mixed number, what do we do?
Turn them into fractions.
Do it. Do it. Now you have to open your notebook.
Oh.
You keep your notebook open for drawing my pictures. That is not needed. Use a notebook for solving problems. What happens, Sanvi? Sanvi is also drawing a picture. Tasvi keeps on drawing my picture. My picture doesn't come out well and he makes it even worse. Your laughter is not $1 million worth. Solve this problem. Rudraj, are you solving it? So again, the clue and the message for all of you is, when I have a situation like this, fraction is my best friend. Convert this to a fraction, then do the multiplication. They hit. Open notebook, do it. Huh?
Where's the journal?
You don't have notebook? So, what was your plan for today? You thought we will have a music class today?
Yeah.
Or will dance? That's why you are ready to dance as soon as I come to dance. Guys, I might keep on cracking bad jokes,
They're good.
but that doesn't mean that you guys have to stop your work and focus on my jokes. They have no value actually. Solve this problem. So the clue for everybody is, fractions are my best friend. Now you guys do it. Anika, don't focus on them. They are you just kids. Okay. Is everybody trying? Can I hear a yes from somebody?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Your yes has come very loud. I would want to see that reflect in your answer also. What is that?
6, 7 by 2. He is not okay.
Every time you get distracted, take a walk, come back. Without even waiting for me. Anika, you keep trying to do. No. And take your mind out of that. Okay, what happens is, if you get distracted, if you keep thinking about it, it'll come back. So, forget about it. Come back. Come, it's okay. Alright. Alright. Now focus on sum. I'm saying I have mixed number. I have another mixed number.
Tic-tac-toe time.
Complete your problem first, then we'll come to this. What's happening? Who all has converted this to a fraction so far?
I have.
Converted, okay. Continue. Huh? It is right. 343. From where did you get that? 343 by 10? You multiplied it? Okay. So first show me where is the conversion of mixed number to fraction.
I converted this to a fraction.
7 by 2? Okay.
Then I
This one?
converted this into this. Then I multiplied both of them.
Okay.
Then I multiplied this.
Okay. Yep. Okay, I think then you are on the right track. Anybody else? Has anybody finished it?
I finished
Yep.
it and I marked you on tic-tac.
Yeah. Oh, yep. Yes, okay. Yeah. Yes, Sami.
The conversion or the problem?
I'm sorry?
Did you mean finishing the conversion or the problem?
Problem.
Okay.
I think this is. I can.
Yes, Satvik, you're saying something. Satvik,
I got my answer.
how much is that?
I got 490 by 64.
490? Did you say 490? 490?
Yeah,
By?
64.
Okay. How much was your answer?
343 over 16.
Over
16.
16. How about you, Tasvik? Nikhil?
Not yet.
Not yet. Anika?
49. What is this thing called again?
Huh?
What is this one called again?
49 by?
Okay, 49 by 8.
49 by 8.
343 by 16.
49 by 8 is only by converting this to a fraction. I'm asking you guys to multiply this thing with this thing.
Oh.
Oh, do it now.
Okay.
Yeah.
49 by 6.
49 by 6.
49 by 6.
No, 49, it will be 49 by 8. Mad. This is mad. Meaning first you multiply, then add, and then put the denominator. So multiplying 8 by 6 is 48. Plus 1, 49. 49 by 8. This is one you got. Yes, Anvi.
I got the answer. 343 by 16.
Okay, same as the dots. Okay.
Hey, that's copy.
Yeah. Sanvi, did you get the answer, beta?
Not yet, I was thinking.
Okay. Mandeep, are you left with the answer?
Thinking.
Thinking or doing. We have to do it. Thinking might not help.
Thinking. You're supposed to think it. Yeah, you're not supposed to do it.
Oh, they're not supposed to overthink either. Oh. Suhina, did you get the answer, beta?
No, actually,
I'm just like, that's that can be correct.
Okay. Now, I think I have given you guys enough time. And this is not difficult.
natural nonsense.
This is not difficult. So some of you have given me answer also.
But that's just.
Okay. Now, can I say that my every sentence doesn't need a response? You will only talk when you are supposed to talk. This was the question. First thing that comes to my mind,
Can I go to the bathroom?
yeah, come back in 30-40 seconds, okay? Don't make a house there. Okay,
Can I what?
come quickly, don't make a house inside the bathroom. Okay, here, these were the two mixed numbers I was given and I have to multiply this with this mixed number. So whenever I have to deal with mixed numbers,
This is so loud. Is that like a monster truck something right now?
No, that's the car's light is on. That's not a light.
guys, stop showing your expertise. Stop showing your expertise and focus on math. Here, everybody here. I have two mixed numbers to deal with. So what I have to do is, I have to recall my friend, that is fraction. And if I recall my friend, fraction meaning I have to convert this to fraction. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7 by 2 into 8 6 is 48 plus 1 49 by 8. Now here, this is what we got. In the numerator, I have 7 yug. Is that information so very important that you want to skip math information and focus on that reading that? Don't do all nonsense, beta. I cannot tell it more. Here, 7 and 49, 8 into 2. If you just do that, you are good. Some of you got the answer. My answer would be this. I mean, here you can see, okay, do I have a way to do any tic-tac-toe or simplify it? Probably not. because here you have 7, 7 cannot divide 2 or 8 or vice versa. Similarly, this is an odd number, here I have even numbers. Probably I cannot do anything. So I'll have to just multiply 49 by 7. 7 9 is 63, 7 4 is 28 plus 6, 34. 343.
That's for 300.
Yeah, 343 by 16. Okay? Done? Dancing done? Dancing done? Yeah. No, you got the answer right. That's understood. And getting answer right is very normal, provided you find the right approach. If you follow the right approach, you'll not go wrong. Now same way. Let's do one more multiplication before we go to division.
I did not know. I did
Division.
So-
I like division. Do the thing.
Okay, apart from going to bathroom, apart from laughing at others, learn some math also. That will be useful for your, when you grow old. Go and come back quickly, and make sure you're not.
Building a house.
We are not, building a house there. Yeah. When you go to bathroom, go for a purpose, come back. Don't stay there forever. Okay. 3 1 by 8 multiplied by tired? Can I do massage? Multiply these two. 3 1 by 8 multiplied by 3 3 by 5. Do it. Get your hands dirty. Take your notebook out. Is there any space left in the notebook after drawing so many pictures of mine?
Yeah.
Do it. Yes, Satvik. You got the answer already?
75 over 40.
75 over 40. Now, if this answer is correct, there is one more opportunity for you guys to play with this. That is called tic-tac-toe.
Tic-tac-toe.
Do you know what is tic-tac-toe?
I do.
Okay.
The game.
So do it.
The game that you play.
Knowing is of no use if you don't apply it. I'm super intelligent. I go to examination hall, I don't answer a single question. I'll only fail, regardless of how intelligent I am. Do it. So Satvik, try to simplify this, okay? That's since you have finished it and you are waiting for others to finish, I want you to simplify this. Okay? Yeah? Get me a simpler, a smaller answer. Okay. Anybody else? Sammy, Sanvi, Suhina, Aditi, Mandeep, Asher?
No, sir, not yet.
Not yet.
I do it. Don't skip me.
Sir, is it 3 5 3 3 5?
3 3 5. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Then it's gonna be 450 by 40.
450 by 40.
No, I didn't do this.
You guys are. Anika, what did you do? Will you convert this to a fraction? 318. What that will become? So first thing is always.
Sir, I got an answer.
Okay, I'll come to you. 318 into 335. Keep quiet.
I got 90 by 8.
Keep quiet. I cannot be more clear than that. Now 8. First you convert, multiply, add. 8 3 is 24 plus 125 by 8. This became fraction now. Now this is 5 3 is 15 plus 3, 18. 18 by 5. I got this. Now I can simplify this. What you can do? 25 is how much? You can always write 25 as 5 into 5. And then 18 you can write as 9 into 2. Then I have 8 here, which I can write as 4 into 2. And I have 5 here. See, I can do tic-tac-toe. This one gone. This 2 gone. What do I have? This into this. Yep.
My answer, if I don't simplify it, is
450 by 40.
Sir, I got an
Yeah,
answer
sir.
of 990 over 45.
Okay?
Sir,
Simplify it.
Okay.
It's gonna be
Uh-huh.
sir, I got an answer of 990 over 40.
Okay. So yeah, here you guys got 450 by 40. Now let me teach you guys one trick. If you ever get 450 by 40,
I did it.
there's 1 0 at the end, there's 1 0 at the end. You can straight away do tic-tac-toe. Because 450 will be nothing but 45 into 10. 40 will be 4 into 10. See what it becomes. Yeah? Isn't that a trick? So now hereafter, remember, we are only dealing with the zeros at the end. Rudraksh here, Rudraksh here.
What's that sound?
There are musical people in the classroom also.
No, just like a lot.
Someone's
of
coming.
That's okay. Somebody might be walking on upstairs. So it's okay. Don't focus on sounds which is coming from far distance. I'm talking from such a close distance and you guys are not able to hear me. That is not right. So here, what I was telling you guys is, so first let's try solving this problem, okay? Let's see how much time we have. We still have just 2 more minutes. So here, look at this. Look at this, everybody. We don't have time. There are already kids from the next class who have joined. So look at this. What? Can you stop being busy with your note? No, you can fold it once the class is over, not in the middle of the class. Now look at this. I have mixed number here, I have a mixed number here. First thing you have to do is recall a friend. That is fraction, meaning convert everything to fraction. And friends are always mad. Friend is always mad, meaning when you have to convert this to fraction, multiply, add, and then denominator. 8 3 is 24 plus 125 by 8. This one, multiply, add, denominator. 5 3 is 15 plus 3 18 by 5. Yep. 3 plus 3 18 by 5. So this became, I can write 25 as 5 into 5 and I can write 18 as 9 into 2. Similarly, I can write 8 as 4 into 2 and write 5 as 5. Tic-tac-toe, done. This 2 also tic-tac-toe. What do I have? 5 9s are 45 by 4. 45 by 4. Can I do any further tic-tac-toe? Probably not. This is where I will stop. Now, the trick that I was telling you guys, that was this. If I ever think of giving a prize to somebody for not at all listening or not paying attention, there are only few kids, and you are among one of the top contenders for that.
Me?
You might become if you don't listen. Okay, coming back to this one. If I have 450 by 40, my simple trick here would be, if I have the 0 at the end, I can knock them off. Same number of zeros. If somebody says divide 5,000 by 4,500.
It becomes 5 by 45.
No.
5
Equal number of zeros is what you can knock off. 1 0, 1 0.
So 50 by 45.
50 by 45. Or in other ways, you can see, this is 50, 100, 4,500. So 50 into 100, 45 into 100. Tic-tac-toe. You do tic-tac-toe with the same numbers, not with different numbers. Okay? Is that clear? Advik, put your hands down. I will not even entertain that. I'm just trying to finish up this class. No reason for talking without any clear motive. Is everybody clear with whatever we did?
Yes.
So So we learned how to deal with mixed numbers, how do we add them, subtract them and multiply them. What we did not do is division of mixed numbers. That we can learn in 5 minutes in the next class, and we'll go to the next topic. Alright? Alright. With that being said, I will let you guys go, and make sure that when you get the assignments, do the assignments, show it to your parents, and then send it to me. Alright? Thanks everybody.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye.